has all the accessory drive on there, the alternator, the AC compressor, the power steering pump. We have the whole harness kit here, and it looks like it's a pretty big deal to install, but the nice thing about it is everything is laid out. So you have the throttle itself, and that just talks directly with the engine and the transmission. You have the plug-ins for the alternator. You have your fuse box here. Everything else you'll see on the line is labeled, from the fuel pump to the fan to the starter. You have mass airflow sensor, the engine itself. All the needed plug-ins are right there. So it's just a question of law of deduction. You'll be able to plug it all in and get this up and running without really a tune. You can also get it tuned, of course, once you get the engine and the mass airflow sensor up and hooked up there. If we walk over here, we have the remaining pieces of the kit. This is the cross member. Comes with the hardware. You have your heater hoses here. Wrapped up inside here is the engine mounts to do the install for mount to the block itself. You have, this is an oil cooler kit, so the cooler is designed there to relocate the filter, being that's a tight fit in the Broncos. Your hoses, the filter, the housing itself. This is the air inlet over here. So this is a universal kit. You have the filter, the fittings, and the tube, so you'll have to cut it to size, and then you'll plug in the mass airflow sensor, and depending on how much you reroute it, you may have to tune the engine, but otherwise if it's pretty close to factory, you can leave it alone. Right over here, this is the Dana 20 adapter that will mount up to the back of the transmission. So we'll talk about the transmission in a minute here. And then over here on the side, we have the headers. So these are some ceramic coated shorty headers. They work for the early Broncos, again, being that they're very tight fit. You just have to run your collectors off of that. Your O2 sensors here, that's the mass airflow sensor. It's pretty complete, as you can see.